Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. In this video, an important topic has been placed. For mainly plus 3 first year students, there is a paper known as environmental science, and I have decided to prepare some videos on important topics of environmental sciences for the benefit of students. I have already prepared English and Odia video on environmental science on the topic climate change and on the topic global warming. I have prepared an Odia video on global warming as well as an Odia video and English video on climate change. And today's video is also related with the environmental science, that is biosphere. So this video mainly focuses on 4 aspects of biosphere. Number 1 is the meaning of biosphere, components of biosphere, regions of biosphere, and the hazards of biosphere. 4 aspects of biosphere have been covered in this video. I request my viewers, especially plus 3 first year, first semester students, to watch this video attentively and till the end so that they will be benefited. This video on biosphere has been prepared in English as well as in Odia. I request my viewers to make best use of this video for examination purpose. Let us start. What is biosphere? Biosphere is otherwise known as ecosphere, and a scientist known as Edward Swiss, who was born in the year 1831 and died in the year 1914, was the first man who told about biosphere. But the concept biosphere was popularized by another scholar known as Vladimir Ivanovich Vernadsky. So, biosphere means in that part of earth where life exists. In that part of earth where life exists is known as biosphere. In all part of the earth, life is not possible. In those parts where life is possible or feasible, it is known as biosphere. In biosphere, from microbes and bacteria to mammals exist. So, biosphere means, in simple language, that part of the earth or the world where life is possible or feasible. So you are clear about the meaning of biosphere. Now let's see, what are the components of biosphere? Biosphere has 3 components. One is air, atmosphere. Number 2, water, hydrosphere. Number 3, solid portion of the earth known as lithosphere. Mainly, there are 3 components of biosphere. The first component of the biosphere is air. Without air, life will not be possible. Air means the air coverage over the earth. Without air, which consists of oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, chlorine, a lot of other gases. But there are some gases which are useful for people, mainly oxygen. Carbon dioxide is necessary for plants. So, a vital element of biosphere is air. Without air, life will be a dream. And number two, water. Water is another element of biosphere. Without water, life will not be possible. Because water makes the life possible. So, 3/4 of the earth is water. That is why earth is known as blue planet. So, water is another important element of the biosphere. And number three, solid portion of the earth. The outer part of the earth is solid. And it consists of crust. Outer part is crust. Just below is the mantle. Just below is the core. So, the solid part of the earth, the solid part around the earth is known as the lithosphere. Without lithosphere or the solid portion around the earth, life will not be possible. So these are the three main elements of, these are three components of biosphere. Now discuss what are the regions of biosphere in the earth, in which areas life is observed. The first area is known as aquatic. In the world, life system is possible, life is observed in those areas which is covered by water. Aquatic means those areas which are covered by water. So, water includes ocean, pond, river. In these areas, life is observed. It is known as aquatic. Another area of the earth or region of the earth or biomes of the earth where life exists is known as the grassland. Grassland means in those areas of the earth where grasses are found, not tall tree. In those areas of the earth where grasses are found, but not tall tree, it is known as the grassland. In grassland also, life exists. Life is there. Living beings are there. And number three, tundra. Tundra means the cold area where under the soil there is water. So tundra area means it is an area where in the subsoil or under the soil, water is found in frozen form. In that area also life exists. And number four, forest. In forest area also life is observed. In forest area mainly two types of forests are found. Tropical forest area where rainfall is more than 200 cm and deciduous forest where rainfall is in between 70 cm to 200 cm. In tropical forest area, there is trees shed their leaves in a particular time. But in deciduous forests, trees will not shed their leaves in particular time. So in forest area also life exists or living beings are visible. Finally, desert. In dry land also, in dry areas of the earth also, life is observed. So, living objects is observed in different areas of the earth like aquatic area, grassland area, tundra area, forest area and desert area. Now discuss what are the hazards of biosphere. What are the dangers for living objects? There are 5 dangers for the biosphere where living beings are found. The first danger is air pollution. Whenever there will be air pollution, living objects will be in problem. If there will be more air pollution, even there is chance of extinction of living objects. So the first hazard, the first danger of the biosphere or living object is the air pollution. And number two, deforestation. It is the main function of trees to maintain balance in the environment. It is the main function of trees to maintain balance in the environment. But whenever for the sake of industries, urbanization, forests are destroyed, the number of trees are cut, at the time there will be imbalance in the environment. The quantity of oxygen will be less and the quantity of CO2 gas will be more. Because it is a function of trees to exhale oxygen and they will take carbon dioxide. But when trees will be less in number, at the time automatically the quantity of carbon dioxide will increase. Then third danger is the depletion in ozone layer. Because from 10 to 15 kilometers above the earth there is a layer of ozone gas. But whenever the quantity of carbon dioxide will be more, there will be puncture in the ozone layer. So whenever there will be hole in the ozone layer, the ultraviolet ray of the sun enters into the earth. So earth will become warmer. Earth is becoming warmer day by day. It is another danger for the biosphere, for the living objects. Number 4, global warming. Day by day, earth is becoming warmer and warmer. There will be more hot in daytime. Daytime lingers in comparison to night time. So, when earth will become warmer and warmer, it is another problem for the living objects, and there is even chance of the extinction of living objects. Finally, non-biodegradable waste. There is another hazard for the biosphere. There is another hazard for the living objects is the increase in non-biodegradable waste. Day by day, people are using polythenes. Day by day, people are using some materials which are not easily degradable. It also creates a problem for biosphere. So in this video, we have discussed what is the meaning of biosphere. Biosphere means in those areas of the earth where life is possible. Who are the first men who told about biosphere? Edward Swiss. Who popularized the word biosphere? Vladimir Ivanovich Bernatsky. Then we have discussed there are 3 components of biosphere like air, water and solid portion of the earth. Air portion is known as atmosphere, water portion is known as hydrosphere, then solid portion is known as lithosphere. Then we have discussed there are different regions where life exists like aquatic region, grassland region, tundra region, forest region and desert region. Then we have discussed what are the 5 dangers for biosphere like air pollution, deforestation, depletion of ozone layer, global warming and non-biodegradable waste. So I'm sure that this video will be very much useful, mainly for +3 first year, first semester students. And I request my viewers to watch this video till the end, collect important facts relating to Biosphere. I have mentioned Biosphere in this video in a simple form. So I request my viewers to subscribe my channel so that in future some more videos on environmental science will be available. Thank you, viewers. Again, we will be here with another topic. Till now, goodbye to all.